If you are still frying your plantain the old way, you are doing it wrong. Today, I'm going to show you how to make perfectly sweet, golden, and crispy ripe plantains using an air fryer with little to no oil. This method is quicker, healthier, and honestly even more delicious. I will only be using two ripe plantain, not that very ripe, but something close to ripe. I will go ahead to remove the back. If today is the first time of coming across this video, you are welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. And please let me know where you are watching me from so that I can give you a visual hug. Thank you. So, after removing the back, the next thing I'll do is just go ahead to cut this into various bite sizes. I'll just go ahead to slice it. So after that, the next thing I'll be doing is to add salt. This is optional, very, very optional. Then I'll go ahead to just marinate everything together. Then this is the air fryer I'll be using. I'll be spraying some of the oil, which is avocado oil. Place my parchment paper into the air fryer and then go ahead to place the cut ripe plantain into it. After that, I will go ahead to just lock it and then I will set the timing. I will be doing this for 15 minutes. If you are watched up to this point, please go ahead to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you so much. After 15 minutes, I will just open the air fryer and then flip it up. I will flip this other side and then I will put it back again. Guys, if you're looking for a healthy meal, I urge you to use your air fryer because for me, I've been using my air fryer lately. Everything I do now, I use air fryer. It's more healthier and more quicker. So after flipping everything, I'll put it back again and air fry this for another few minutes. This is what we have, guys. This is no oil attached to it, no added oil. So guys, if you want to try this recipe out, go ahead to do so. Thank you for watching so far. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. So this is what I paired mine with some boiled egg and some vegetable sauce. It was so yummy. Watch out for how I make this vegetable sauce. I'll be uploading that in another video. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you are watching up to this point, please go ahead to subscribe, share this video with friends and family, and please don't mind the English I spoke or I speak. I'm not an English person. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.